Okay, so I have a nice little analogy for those people who get asked why you don't do hourly pricing. I get asked this quite a lot, about me pricing. Do I charge per job or by the hour? And a couple of days ago, I gave a response and I used a little analogy that, in my head, sums it up quite nicely. If you're not charging by the hour and you only want to charge per job, and it's something I've used a handful of times, over the last couple of years, and it's been like a light bulb moment, gone on in the customer's head, and they can fully appreciate why you might want to charge per job rather than by the hour. Now, this isn't a video slagging those off who charge by the hour. Obviously, everyone's different. Everyone runs the businesses differently, and I'm sure it works for you if you are charging by the hour. It's not something I personally choose to do, and obviously that's why we're all different. That's fine. Um, so the analogy I use is it's quite simple, really, but it hits home, I think. An hour's digging, an hour's heavy digging, is going to cost a lot more than an hour's gentle pruning or deadheading. And then instantly, they know in their mind what heavy digging is. They've probably done it themselves, and they know what pruning and deadheading is most of the time. So instantly, they can have that image in their head of, yes, oh bloody hell, it's going to be a lot harder digging for an hour than deadheading. All your fingers might hurt deadheading for an hour, but you get the idea. And yeah, as I said, when I've told people, it's just like, oh, right, fair enough, that's fine. And then you can go about and tell them how you price it and stuff. So it's just maybe something to use if you're just starting out, or if you're going to be starting shortly or whatever. I just thought I'd share it with you because I thought it might be quite useful to some of you. Any more analogies? Get them down in the comments. Cheers, guys. See you in the next one.